everyone, welcome to the Food's Kitchen. This is end of the New Year's special. Today I'll make Zenzai. Zenzai is a sweet red beans soup with rice cake. Let's get started.
250 grams red beans, 1000 cc water, put on high heat. When it boils, reduce to low heat and boil for 3 minutes. Throw away the hot water and wash the red beans. Put the red beans in a pot and add 1000 cc water. Put on high heat. When it boils, reduce to low heat and boil for 1 hour until red beans become tender. 30 to 40 minutes later.
It's the water runs out on the way. Add water.
The name Zenzai is said to be derived from Buddhism. The word Zenzai means wonderful in Sanskrit.
Remove the lie. This is a very important work.
It's said that the name of Zenzai comes from the fact that the monk Ikkyu who ate this said that this soup is wonderful. Ikkyu is also popular in Japanese anime. 1 hour later. It's done when the red beans are easily crushed by hand.
Good.
Add 180 grams sugar. Put on heat again.
Put the lid and simmer over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes.
Add a small amount of salt.
Simmer until it's thick to your liking. Do you like red beans to eat? Actually, I was not good to eat. However, after eating what I cooked in this video, I can now eat it. The link for this video is in description section. Please check it out. Oh, nice. Then, bake mochi. This is a special grill for baking mochi. I bought this at the supermarket.
In Japan, it's customary to offer rice cake to God on New Year. And when the New Year is over, people eat this rice cake.
Bake slowly over low heat.
Turn it over when it gets brown. Mochi swells when baked. Jealousy is called yakimochi in Japan, because it's like getting angry and swelling cheeks. Yakimochi beans bake rice cake. Here's another delicious way to eat mochi. Dip the mochi in soy sauce and wrap it with seaweed. This is delicious!
This is yakimochi. Mmm.
Completed when both sides have a moderate brown color. Pour the soup into a bowl. Serve the mochi. It's done.
Yokika no Zenzai. It means wonderful. How was your New Year? I just making videos. I wish you happiness and health this year. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.